Ready to ditch those clunky website builders and create a stunning online presence that actually converts? Let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial on using the Gohighlevel website builder, the all-in-one platform that's about to become your new best friend. First, you'll need a Gohighlevel account, so if you don't have one, sign up using the link in the description for a special offer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sites tab and click on Websites. From there, you can either start with a blank canvas or browse their library of professionally designed templates. Pick a template that resonates with your brand and niche. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Now for the fun part, customization. The Gohighlevel website builder uses a super intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Simply click on any element to edit its text, color, font, or placement. You can add new sections, rows, columns, and elements like images, videos, forms, and buttons with just a few clicks. To integrate with other tools, head over to the Settings tab. Here, you can connect your domain, configure your email settings, integrate payment gateways like Stripe, and even add custom code for advanced functionality. Finally, let's talk about SEO. Gohighlevel makes it easy to optimize your website for search engines. You can edit your meta titles and descriptions, add out text to your images, and ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Remember to track your website's performance using Gohighlevel's built-in analytics to see what's working and what needs improvement. And that's it. You've just created a professional and effective website using the Gohighlevel website builder. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you had any questions.